Wait until you see what is in this box. Hello friends, if you are new here, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back. It's Jen. Today we are unboxing the May edition of the Jane's Agenda Deluxe sub box. I'm so excited to share this box with you guys. So if you're new, I do always unwrap everything before I start the video, just so we don't waste time and we can just get into all the beautiful goods in here. So I have seen just very briefly everything, and it is beautiful and functional, and I'm really excited about every single thing. So I will tell you that I am a Jane's Agenda affiliate, but I did purchase this box with my own money. You can find my affiliate link down in the description box below. I'll also mention I have a code planninggoaled that you can save 15% off your first purchase with Jane's Agenda. However, that does exclude the sub box. That said, I'm going to move this box out of the way and we are just going to jump right in. Okay, friends, so here is the tour card. We do always receive a tour card. I also just wanted to mention that if you'd like to know more of the details about the Jane's Agenda sub box and the choices you have, that information is down in the description box, as well as my affiliate links. If you do decide to subscribe to the box and you use my affiliate link, I do earn a small commission. It's no extra cost to you. Thank you so much for supporting my content if you use that link. But also just wanted to say that I receive my box in the deluxe version. So there's the monthly cover club, the lifestyle subscription, and the deluxe. And the deluxe includes both boxes, and it's awesome. It's awesome, which is why I receive it every month. I'm just going to read you the very start of what the description here. So they're saying, this May, take a trip to Italy with our beautifully curated subscription box designed to immerse you in Italy's rich culture and scenic beauty. And they really delivered. This is a gorgeous box. I'm really, really excited about it. Let's just jump right into it. So first of all, we always get this beautiful thank you card, and I love putting this in the front of my agenda cover. Last month, I used photo corners and I stuck it onto the front of my April monthly, and I really enjoyed that. But I do usually really love to put this in the front of my agenda cover because it always matches the theme of the box, and so I'm always switching my planner out month to month with the items in the box, and this just goes so beautifully. And this one's just really pretty. This is part of what they'll call a little accessory pack, and there are several of the smaller items in the box all together in a little bag. So next from that pack, as always, we get our quote cards, and they are so cute this go around. So this one says La Vita, and it has this beautiful illustration. And this one says, he who begins is half done, first written in Italian, but I do not know how to pronounce that. So these are so pretty. So these also, sometimes I put them in my agenda cover. Sometimes I put them in a little plastic pocket, a credit card holder that I have that I put in my planner, which actually I didn't put in my planner this past month. That video is up if you'd like to see that setup, but I'll probably go back to it. Who knows? But these are so pretty. They're going in my planner one way or another. And then look at how cute this paper clip is. Are you kidding? That is adorable. We have a beautiful bicycle for our Italian countryside, right? Gorgeous. I love it. That's adorable. And then, speaking of photo corners, we received white ones. These are so cool. And there's a reason. I'm going to show you the other item we got that we can use these with if we want to. But you don't have to. You could use these in a lot of different ways. If you knew you wanted to attach, say, even a quote card to maybe a dashboard or something, you wanted to keep it there. These were not too bulky. did not add bulk to my planner. Seemed like you probably can peel them off relatively easily, but also have stayed very nicely, at least the gold ones I have. These are white ones. They're really pretty. They have like a little etched in design. And this is what they go with. So this is cardstock, black cardstock with white ink. It says cherish moments. So you could certainly just utilize this as a dashboard if you wanted. It's a really cute design, but what it is 2 pieces, and it opens as a little vision board or memory keeper. And I think they call it a vision board. Let me look at our tour card here. Yes, they call it a vision board. But where'd those corners go? Here we go. So see, you can put those, and you could put photos, you could put quotes, you could put inspiring pictures. I mean, I think you could use it in a lot of different ways. I think I will probably use it for some photos at some point. I'm not sure if it will go in my planner immediately, but it's really pretty. And the back says, we do not remember days, we remember moments. The richness of life lies in memories we have forgotten. That's really pretty. Next, we got a decorative dashboard set. We have these beautiful scenery images. So I'll show you each of them. They are double-sided, the same on each side. I love it when they give us those that way. And they're so pretty. So pretty. And this, I have to tell you, when I opened it, this dashboard made me cry, because when I was a child, there was a pizza place near my house, and they had a picture, a painting of a man in a gondola. I loved that painting. I used to stare at it. It just made me feel so nostalgic, and Venice is somewhere I've always wanted to go, and I still haven't gone, and I do hope I get to go there someday and take my own photo. Like, that would mean a lot. So anyway, that's a little aside, but I think these dashboards are just beautiful. We got 2 sets of inserts, and I'm super excited about both of them. So first of all, we got the tri-focus inserts, and I forgot to mention that all the items I'm showing you so far are what are included in the lifestyle subscription, and then I'll tell you when we switch over to the monthly cover club. So just so you could tell if you wanted to get one of those tiered boxes. So this is called the tri-focus notes pages. I wonder if we're getting these in the shop. Sometimes the tour card, which I put aside, here it is, it will say if it's exclusive. It does not say it's exclusive, so I'm not sure, but I really like these. Ooh, look at those. I love this. Like, there's something for my brain, the way that there is structure, but yet there's so much open space. That's what my brain likes. And I love that. Yeah, I love that we have lines. We have the room to customize it to be whatever you want. I love notes pages like this for goal setting. I really like it. So I'm very excited about these and excited to try them out. And they gave us a lot. They gave us quite a few. So I'm so excited. These are definitely going to go into my planner. And then, they're so generous. We got the Daily 14 sample pack, and this is giving us May to June. So that's very generous, and they are dated. And I'm so intrigued. So we do have a front page that's dot grid, says May 2024. But then here's the layout. Oh, I love the font. We have a little monthly calendar in the corner. We have a habit tracker, which I know a lot of people love them. Sometimes I use them. I've told you guys a million times, I stink with the habit trackers, and sometimes looking at it blank makes me feel guilty. So sometimes I just cover it up. But it's there if you want it. And then we have a weekly tasks, and we have a little dot grid area. And then you have your Monday through Wednesday. You get a little lined area up here. So I kind of love that because I'm definitely going to try these. I think I'm going to use this area for my top 3 priorities because I used to do that in my daily pages and I kind of got away from it. But it really helped me stay focused. You know, like here are the top 3 categories in my day that like have to be handled kind of approach. Then we get a timed column, which sometimes I need that, sometimes I don't. I do tend to use it on my daily pages on the daily 13s, but you do get a to-do list as well on every page. And most days, I don't really need more of a to-do list than that, but some days I do, and then I could probably just extend it up. So I think these are pretty, they are functional. I'm really excited to try them, and it will make your planner smaller because instead of having a separate daily page, if this really ends up being enough room, then you can either downsize your discs or you can add other categories to your planner that maybe we're missing. So I'm so excited to try these and see how these work. Okay. We have 2 more items that are from the lifestyle subscription box, and I'm so excited. First, we have this really pretty dot grid saddle stitch notebook. Jane's Agenda saddle stitch notebooks are truly stitched. They're not stapled. They are meant to be half letter size. And we have a beautiful dot grid page, and it just, you got the little janesagenda.com at the bottom. So this goes with this, and I am so excited. So if you are subscribed to Jane's Agenda, or maybe you enjoy watching my unboxings, then you know we received a dark brown kind of, or a darker brown colored traveler's notebook back in the December box. And it was very similar to this one, which we will be taking a closer look. But it was a darker brown, and the inside had like a burnt orange kind of lining. So I've been using it kind of off and on as my journal. And to be honest, I've never been very consistent with journaling. And some of it has just been like focusing and making it part of my goals. But some of it has been that I have really kind of enjoyed this little system for journaling. I was kind of hoping for a more spring colored one because with the burnt orange inside the other one, it's not that, you know, it's not evoking spring for me, but I still really love it. It's beautiful. But now we have this one, which is like it's kind of like a light tan or light taupe. It has more of a cool undertone to me, but it's not cream. Like here's the shell pen pouch that we got last month. So you can see it's a big difference, but it's really pretty color. And so you get the band around, and let's open her up. So there is just some protective materials that I'd kept in there. Ooh, so this, you get like a light gray interior. We have a matching pen loop, hooray. And then we have 4 strings, so you can fit 4 of these style notebooks. And we've gotten quite a few of these in the past, but also you can purchase them in the shop. And I like the lined is my favorite because I like to write on lines, but I think I'm going to use this one more in a creative way. And I've been wanting to do a creative journal, and I haven't really. And so I think this will be nice. But what you can do is you can put a notebook in each string, or you don't have to, but you can. And then you just kind of open it, and you know, I usually do just write with the notebook right inside the cover. I do it on my couch, and actually it kind of helps like give it a little sturdiness in my lap. But once in a while I pull it out, and it's very easy to pull it out and put it back in. And so I will be doing a setup of this coming up soon, like really soon, because I'm so excited to use it. So be on the lookout for that video. If you're not subscribed, then maybe please go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell to all, then you'll be notified when the video comes out. But yes, this is like, they really deliver the value in these boxes. They really do. And this is just, yes, this makes my heart happy. So now we're going to look at the items from the monthly cover club, which usually this includes a page finder, covers or dashboards if you're in rings, and cardstock dashboards to go behind the cover. If I didn't mention already, I received my box in the junior size, which is punched for a half letter planner. You can also get half letter unpunched, thus the difference in the names, but it's the same size. So first, here's our page finder. It's so pretty. I think this is part of why I love this box. I love soft muted colors, earth tones. So we're getting a lot of that in this box, and I love that. That makes my heart happy. So very, very pretty. Here are our dashboards. So they're double-sided, but they're different. Oh no, they're not. They're double-sided. So first we have this beautiful picture. We have these gorgeous florals. Love. You guys know I love flowers so much. And then now we'll look at the cover, which is gorgeous. So they're different, and I like that. So we have laminated covers. I know there's quite a glare. Sorry guys, but it says Explore Travel Edition, Rustic Tuscan Getaway. Yeah, it's like a travel magazine cover, and it's so pretty. And the back says Amore, and it says, let's find some beautiful place to get lost. And it's just such a beautiful cover. So now, like we like to do, we are going to just try it with all the different dashboards we've received. So let's start with this. All right, so that's really pretty. Here's the flowers. So that's pretty too. I think this is really beautiful. That looks really nice. That really pulls that green out. And that looks really beautiful too. So it's going to be really hard to decide, but I love this cover. Yeah, this was a good one, you guys. This was a really good one. Okay, friends, that is the May edition of the Jane's Agenda Deluxe Sub Box. It's gorgeous, and I'm so excited to try the inserts. I'm really excited about all of it. So that's what I mean. This was a really good one. They're all good ones, right? I say that every time, but like this time I'm super excited. I don't know. So anyway, let me know what you think. I love chatting planners with you. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, give it a big thumbs up. That will tell the algorithm that it's a good video for other people to watch. If you're enjoying my content, please consider subscribing. I love it that you're here with me. If you would like to see the setup of last month's half letter planner, I will link it for you here. If you'd like to see my Jane's Agenda unboxing playlist, I will link it for you there. And that is going to do it for this one, you guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.